Hey everybody, picking up again with your Bible. We are on Psalm 119 and we're in the second part, which is about the second letter, and the letter is BETH, okay? Wherewithal shall a young man cleanse his way? By taking heed thereto according to thy word. With my whole heart have I sought thee. O let me not wander from thy commandments. Thy word have I hid in my heart, that I might not sin against thee. Blessed art thou, O Lord, teach me thy statutes. With my lips have I declared all the judgments of thy mouth. I have rejoiced in the way of thy testimonies as much as in all riches. I will meditate in thy precepts and have respect unto thy ways. I will delight myself in thy statutes. I will not forget thy word. Okay, so the letter BETH, spelled B-E-T-H, represents the number 2, and the image is similar into like a pictorial drawing that would resonate what a 2 looks like, like a basic letter 2, but it refers to the letter B, A, B, so the first letter is A, which is the ox, the second letter is B. And it represents the house. So when I, again, meditated on that it was a house, I was like, okay, so then this is how I take it to the next level. Lord, teach me your commandments, your statutes, your ways, your word, so that I can be like B as in B-E, and also the letter B in your house. Okay, so in order to be in God's house, we need to understand his commandments. And first, we need to understand the letter A, which is the ox. We need to be yoked to God first, so that we could then get to step 2, or letter B, to get into God's house. Okay, so there is a process here. All right, I'm going to stop there and